Greetings, Earthlings. I am Trader Jer, and you're watching Stardust Revival Co.
I love my job. So I'm setting up this early 2000s era Compaq Presario 7000 series for a client on eBay so she can play her vintage video games that she has on CD-ROM. Check out this rare 900 megahertz slot A AMD Athlon processor.
Whoa! 6.7! What we got here? Compaq. There we go. Look at that. Relic. 39 minutes? That's never right.
This Compaq is a Christmas gift from her son. It has a whopping 128 megabytes of RAM and a 40 gig mechanical hard drive. And we're installing XP! Originally, this computer had Windows 98. I had this computer listed for around $270 just for the tower, without an operating system and hard drive. I sent out a lower offer to buyers interested, and one had replied to me that they would be interested if this computer had an operating system and a hard drive. And so, here I am setting up this ancient relic. Talk about a sound of nostalgia. Gives me the tinglies. And of course, I had to launch 3D Pinball Space Cadet. So I found out it's pretty hard to play this game and hold the camera since I'm playing with only one hand, but hey, it works. Sorta. It's closing time. It's time to shut down. Well, another vintage computer rescued. I hope the buyer enjoys this computer for many more years to come. And as always, happy find.